I'm hunting the boot.
Yeah,
All right.
where's the boot at?
Why am I talking all redneck?
Yeah. All right, talk to the regular voice. Where are you hunting at tomorrow?
Bus stop.
Bus stop.
Bus stop.
What's
As
over
long as
there?
I can with my new Sitka gear.
Where are you
Looking
hunting
for
at?
sponsorship.
Duffield. Where are you hunting at tomorrow?
The woods.
There you go. Good answer. We're losing our bat too.
Some roads turning into a parking lot as people abandon their vehicles. That's up in Northeast.
Abandoned vehicle.
Road, semi versus car. Interstate 90 closed both lanes from Interstate.
Fuck yeah. Let's get this done.
That's the curve.
Right there's a tractor. Holy shit, there's nowhere to put it without burying somebody else.
Let me testify, I'm still coming through from the bottom of the gutter. I put my all in this, yo, that's word to my mother. For pageantry, I'm coming through with this.
Winter Wonderland. We're gonna have a bonfire and drink fucking Tito's and Red Bull.
Yep, here we are getting ready for deer hunting 2024. Got a little bit of snow last night. Just gonna mosey through the wood, through the perimeter. Now we got a little squirrely here and ran over a tree. Just part of the day. Just part of the day.
How deep is that?
This is unbelievable. That's a good shot there, Johnny. Good shot.
I know, baby.
Good shot in the snow.
Whew,
How'd you do today?
that was a rough one.
You cold?
It was cold. It was cold.
We tried to get a deer, but we can't.
No, he ran away, didn't he?
Yep, but a big deer just ran away and we can't get a shot.